Meaning of exposed.
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 Exposed. The term exposed can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it refers to something that has been made visible or uncovered, typically implying a negative or uncomfortable situation. For example, if a company's unethical practices are exposed, it means that they have been revealed to the public. Similarly, if a person's private information is exposed, it means that it has been made known without their consent. In summary, being exposed can result in a loss of privacy, reputation, or trust, and can lead to legal or social consequences.